Hello guys, my today's topic is solving problems involving quadratic equations. Now there is a word problem in front of you, and in this word problem, quadratic equation is involved. How? Look at this. Read the statements once, twice or thrice by yourself and then come to the solution. The difference between two positive numbers is 5 and the square of their sum is 169. Find the numbers. When such vague statement or word problem is given to you in which you are supposed to find out some numbers, so whatever is there to find out, we suppose it. And we suppose it intellectually, right? We will use our knowledge and wisdom, because if one number is 5, so it is understood. I'm just giving you example in number form. If we have a number 5, the next positive consecutive number whose difference with first number is 5 would be 10. Okay, it means if you add up 5 to the first number, you will get 10, right? So suppose that 5 is, let x, that 5 which I am telling you as an example, that 5 I am supposing as x. That is not actually 5. I'm just taking an explaining an example. Okay, let the numbers be x and x plus 5. Because these are two positive numbers, I have taken two general positive numbers and their difference is 5. So when you will subtract x and x, you will get 5, right? And the other, in other words, you can say when one number is x, the other number will be 5 greater than that, because both the numbers have a difference of 5 between them. Okay, so if first number is x, the other number would be automatically x plus 5. Okay, we can write down it as x minus 5, because if we subtract 5 from x, it means the number will become 5 less than x. So the difference will be, then again, would be 5. Now, if you have this situation, find the numbers, and you have this situation's first line is giving you a statement. First line is helping you in supposing the numbers. So you are supposed to find out two numbers. First number, let the first number be x. We always say b, not is. Let the number r, we don't say it. Let the numbers are. We don't say it like this, because whenever we suppose something, we write down it like this. Let the numbers be x and x plus 5, because we are not for sure about it that would be x and x plus 5. Okay, so we are just supposing it. When at the end we will find out the numbers, then we would be sure about that these are the numbers. Okay, so first of all, when you are writing down this statement, you will write down let the numbers be. I'm just emphasizing this be, because many students write down is over here or are over here. Is or are is not giving you good statement. Okay, let the numbers be x and x plus 5. Applying condition. What is the condition given to you? Both the numbers, the square of their sum, this is the condition. The square of their sum is 169. First of all, we will take sum and then we will make the square of that sum. What is the sum of these two numbers? X plus 5. So I will write on x plus 5 like this, and I'll take square of it, and that is, he is saying, is equal to 169. Okay, this is how to make a statement. This is now a statement using given condition in the question. I have used given condition which is given to you in the question, and I have used the requirement of the question to write down or suppose the numbers. I suppose the numbers by using the first information and I make the statement by using the second statement, which is given to you with such that, or with and the square of their sum is 169. This is actually an information for you to make this statement. Okay, now you have made the statement. Open this bracket because there is a plus sign outside the bracket, so there would be no change when we will open the brackets. Inside the bracket we will solve this expression, which is with square form, which is in square form, and now we will get x plus 5. X plus 5, we have just removed the brackets. X plus 5 whole square is equal to 169, and now x plus x, 1, x means 1 biscuit, plus x mean 1 more biscuit, you will get 2 biscuits. So x and x will give you 2x, 2 biscuits. Suppose x is representation of a biscuit. Plus 5 will come as it is, and we will take the square of it as it is equal to, can I write down 169 as 13 into 13, because 169 is a perfect square of 13. So 13 into 13 can be written as 13 square, because 13 multiplied by 13 is written 2 times, so I can write it as 13 square. Now I will replace 169 by 13 multiplied by 13, and I will replace 13 multiplied by 13 by 13. Look at this, by 13 square. I wanted to remove it by 13 square, but I have explained this thing in the rough column so that I can tell you one more step over here. Now whenever you have square on the left side and you have an other same pair on the right side in the form of, look at this, 13 square in a square form. Whenever you have a square on the left side and you want to get rid of the square, we take square root. Square root is totally inverse of square. Means its value is 1 by 2. When 1 by 2 is multiplied by 2, we will get 1. It means square root always finishes the square. Okay, this is the property of the square root. Now 13 into 13 is also in the form of square, but I have written it is in expanded form. Now this square will be finished with this square root. I have explained it in the rough column, and we left with 13 only. Now another example in lower stages, when you were in grade 6 and 7, sometimes teachers, I think she would have told you that 13 multiplied by 13 is under a crocodile, is in the mouth of a crocodile, and so on. I will not give that example because now you are grown up, you are in grade 8. So whenever you have a similar pair inside, a square root, this is a property of the square root. One number comes out and one used to finish it, because this is happening at the back. 13 square will finish square root and 13 will come out. This is happening, and sometimes we can explain it like this, that 13 is used to finish square root and 13 came out. Now look at this, when square and square root is finished, and on left hand side you left with 2x plus 5. Now one thing more, square root has always plus minus sign, but here there is no need at all, because we have square root on both the sides and this is an equation. So plus minus over here and plus minus over here have cancelled each other. Now 2x plus 5 is outside, plus 5 we can shift to the right and it will become minus 5. 2x is equal to 13 minus 5 is 8. 2 is being multiplied with x. Now when we will shift it towards right, it will divide it. Now you will get 4. It means one number we have supposed as x, and you have got x. X is 4. First number is 4. So what would be second number? We have supposed second number as x plus 5. We will write down x plus 5 and put the value of x, and we will get second number. That is 9. Second number. Therefore, the required numbers, what are the required numbers? Therefore, at the end, you should write down in a very clear form the requirement of the question in the form of answer. Now, this is my answer. Therefore, the required numbers are 4 and 9. Answer. You will write it down like this. I hope everything is clear to you. I have tried my level best to make everything clear to you. So, if my videos are beneficial for you, do like and subscribe so that you may get notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.